Hi, welcome back. So if you watched my NLP intro series, you probably have a good understanding of what natural language processing is and how it works. Now it's time to put these learnings into action by finding out how to build an actual NLP chatbot. But the first step to building a bot is learning why chatbots even exist and why they're so useful. After all, chatbots allow people to talk to computers, just as a person would to another human. So why even have chatbots if you can just have a conversation with another human? And on top of that, why do you need an NLP chatbot if you can just have a regular old bot? Well, keep watching to find out. By the end of this video, you'll have answers to all these questions. And as always, don't forget to download the interactive PDF linked in the description below so that you can take valuable notes on key points to take away from this video and add to your collection of cheat sheets. Let's get started. So what exactly is a chatbot? Well, a chatbot is nothing but a machine that makes conversation with a person in a natural human language. Essentially, chatbots allow you to talk to a computer, just as you would talk to another human being. Now, like I asked in the beginning, if it's just a conversation between you and the bot, why are chatbots even needed? I mean, why not just talk to another person? Well, the easiest way to understand this is through an example. So let's say that Sarah here is the owner of Staples. Her service's job is to sell home, school, and office supplies to different people. Now for all these years, she's been hiring several people to manage all the incoming emails and phone calls of customers who either want information about her products, tracking her delivery information, returns, etc. But there are problems. Her staff gets very tired by the end of the day and can't manage the influx of calls and customers. Hiring her employees costs her hundreds of thousands of dollars, and customers are getting impatient after being on hold for so long. But what if there's a way to fix all of these problems at once? Enter chatbot. Now, Sarah can avoid draining her employees and can instead make use of an inexpensive machine that can work round the clock without getting tired. The customers are captivated by the simple interface and better interaction, which in turn drives up her sales. But wait, something is still not right. The chatbots turn out to be extremely limited in their abilities, since they're only programmed to reply to a small set of questions and statements. The moment they're asked a question that had even one word that they didn't recognize, they would fail. Moreover, they cannot hold long conversations, as it's more of just a one-sentence program response to a very specific, simple question. Basically, for the chatbots to say anything, the programmers have to explicitly code in every word. This may seem impossible to fix, but worry not. A new and advanced technology will save the day, one that people refer to as natural language processing. Since Sarah's new chatbots are powered by NLP and AI, they can essentially handle any question or comment that the customer types in, even if they don't necessarily know the answer. Moreover, they have a much more sophisticated interactive platform. The bots are no longer limited to the words that people program into them. They can understand far more thanks to the deep neural networks that allows them to understand not only what the user is saying, but also context and meaning. Neural networks, which we'll cover in a later video, basically allow the bot to learn from past conversations and respond to unpredictable statements and continue complex conversations. In addition, because of NLP, the chatbots can even understand slangs used in everyday natural conversations, analyze emotions, and perform a huge range of tasks. So as you can see, NLP chatbots are immensely powerful and can do incredible things. In the next few videos, we'll be using a website called Dialogflow to see all this in action. I'll be walking you through several aspects of Dialogflow, as well as a few examples of an actual NLP chatbot. So by the end of the series, you'll know exactly how to build your own chatbot using Dialogflow. Make sure to give this video a like and comment down below what kind of services or established companies that you think might benefit from a chatbot like the one Sarah's using at her company. And if you're new here, then make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any videos that'll help you on your journey towards mastering artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.